tutorial. In today's video, we'll create a cinematic light animation intro using Filmora X. So let's get started. Import the media files to the media library. Before adding the audio track to the timeline, right-click on the audio file and select the beat detection. Once done, again right-click on the audio file. On the highlight, add the beat at 2. Then click OK. Now let's add the audio file to the timeline. Scroll down, add the background image on the video track. Right-click on the background image and change the scale to 134. Then go to Colors, click on White Balance, adjust the temperature at 43 and the tint at 6. Now let's click on Pan and Zoom option. Click on Zoom in option. Let's leave the scale at 998 on the y-axis and 748 on the x-axis. Now let's go to the audio file. Listen carefully to the audio and use the audio marks to guide you. Once done, let's add the 𝗏𝗵𝗺𝗏𝗏 video on the timeline. Leave the settings unchanged. Select and right-click on the 𝗏𝗵𝗺𝗏𝗏 video. Select screen under compositing. Decrease the opacity at 60%. Again, go to Colors and change the temperature at 43 and the tint at 6. Also, let's add the smoke video on top of the 𝗏𝗵𝗺𝗏𝗏 video. Select and right-click on the smoke video. Select screen under compositing. Also go to Colors. Look for 3D LUT and select 𝗏𝗵𝗆𝗆𝗵𝗆𝗏 effect. Once done, let's add the title on the timeline. To do that, go to Titles and choose the default title. Now double-click on the text, but before that, let's first hide the background video and then click Advanced. Now type any text of your choice. I prefer Filmora. Also, let's change the font to 𝗏𝗆𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 and change the letter space to 25. Leave the font size at 80 and then split the text based on the audio beat. Once done, let's go back to the media file and add letters of our choice on the timeline. Once all letters are placed on the timeline, select all letters, put them where another beat starts from. Delete the selected letters. Then on each letter, let's adjust the scale to 20%. And also change the position of the letter to match the text. We are going to do this for all the letters. Then let's move on to the next text. I will type tutorial, add the letters on the video track, and repeat the same procedure as before. Once done, let's make the background image visible and render the project. Now double click on the text, click on Advanced, change the letter space to 15. Again, hide the background image again. Now let's double click on the letter, go to Animations and add keyframes. At the start of each letter, add a keyframe of 190. Then skip 25 frames and add another keyframe at 100 on all letters. Once done, let's add another keyframe and rearrange the letters based on the text. We are going to repeat the same procedure for the rest of the text. Now let's add the deflection image on the timeline. Double click on the image and set it to soft light under compositing. Increase the scale of the image to 202. Now adjust the position on the x-axis to -42 and on the y-axis to 0.7. Then go to colors, click on tone and reduce the brightness to -7. Once done, scroll down and make the background image visible again. Now let's render and preview the video once done. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.